Well, I really don't know what to say right now. This is really. Oh my gosh. I just reached 1,000 subscriber mark on YouTube, and this is probably the most amount of subscribers I've ever reached before. I don't know how far I'm going to go, but I'm just feeling a little overwhelmed, and I'm feeling mixed emotions, overwhelmed and stuff, but hey, reach us out, subscriber guys. Thank you guys all so much for all your support, watching and stuff. And I'm glad you guys still like my content and stuff. Hope you guys like watching videos and stuff. And this isn't going to be just any special video. I'm doing my first YouTube challenge. So basically it's empty, but basically you can see by the logo it is backwards. But yeah. So basically I'm actually doing a challenge invitation by Wreckless Eating. I'm actually a huge fan of the channel Wreckless Eating, so their link is in the description. Be sure to check it out. They did an invitation challenge. Basically the challenge is the fastest you can consume not one, but two, but 3 cans of Pepsi. So this is going to be my first YouTube challenge video, and I can't wait to give it a try. And I'm going to be getting the cans out right now and getting the challenge ready. So sit tight. And again, thanks you for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers, all you guys. I really appreciate it, and it still got me motivated to continue putting out content for you guys. I'm wearing my meme shirt just for fun, my Sonic the Hedgehog meme shirt. So anyway, I'm about to set up and get ready. Alright, challenge will begin. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh. 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 Ooh. No, that was a big one. Oh man. Come on. You're doing it. Hang in there. Come on, guys. Cheer me on. Yeah, just let the burps come. Oh man. Carbonation is really what gets me. Oh man. Come on. Don't give up. Sorry, coughing a little bit because I've had allergies because of this weather. Whew. Whew. Oh man, I'm burping like crazy. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Dang. What's the time? Sorry if it's backwards, but 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, man. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Oh, man. That was... Oh, man. That was brutal. That was brutal. Oh, man. Oh, man. That was very brutal. I can't believe I actually did that. And, oh, man. I know I'm probably going to be pissing a lot right now, and I don't know if I'm ready to vomit, but... Anyhow, it's the best I could do for you guys. Thank you again. Be sure to check out Wreckless Eating, subscribe to them. And, you know, I'm also a fan of their work, so I had to do the challenge. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not the best, but see you guys next one. And don't worry, I'll still be putting out more content. So looking forward to more videos this year. See you guys, and thank you all for subscribing.